Well, good morning. Trying out a new camera position today. Hopefully it works out. So I figured I would do a quick video on my handlebar setup, since I think it'll be like this for about 20 minutes. So I'll get right into it. I'll put links in the description of all the parts I got on this thing. But I'll start at the trees. I have the BK riders, poly bushings down there. They were the cheapest ones I could find on Amazon that were like next day shipping. So threw those in there, and night and day difference with those. So if you're thinking about doing that, I absolutely recommend it. Next is the risers. They are Drag Specialties 8.5 inch risers with, I think, 2-inch pullback. I think nothing special there. My bars are the Biltwell Tracker mid bends, set up for the throttle by wire, because the throttle by wire is the only way you can get the internal wiring holes. If you order the regular dimpled ones, they're going to have their cables on the outside of the bars, which I'm not a fan of the look. Underneath this pad is the regular factory upper clamp, nothing special. The grips are Biltwell thrusters, I think. I did just change them out from another set of Biltwell grips that I didn't like. Under here I'm also running the Moons MC quarter turn throttle. I gotta give that shit a thumbs up. So attached to my risers, I have a RAM mount for my phone. I never had anything fall out of it, and I think I have an iPhone 7 Plus, and that shit barely fits in there, but it holds it snug, and I really don't worry about it blasting down the highway. I have another GoPro mount up here for another GoPro, obviously, that I don't have yet. Get it, girl. Right here I have heated grips. They are an awesome investment if you plan on riding in the winter time or when it's colder. Coupled with the little hand guards I got, it makes it nice riding in the colder months. So I think that's probably going to do it for this this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya.